In this video, I will show you how to use bonus in Megapari. This is easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you've claimed your bonus, maybe from a promo code, and want to use it, here's exactly what to do. If you claim a first deposit bonus, to know if you've claimed it, complete your first deposit. And if you see an additional account here that says bonus account, then that's your bonus. So how do you use it? For you to use it, you just have to come over here and select the account. Now, you're going to see an amount there after you complete your first deposit. So you select the account here. Once you select it, it means any bet that you take, be it in football or anything that you bet on, the amount is going to be considered from that bonus account. So make sure that you've selected the bonus account, then go ahead and place your bets from here. Any bet that you place is going to be counted from that bonus.